Greetings from our channel. Do you dislike having no money left over each month? Do you struggle with rising debt and money worries? Well, you're where you need to be. We're going to demonstrate how to break free from the money trap and achieve financial security in today's video. Many people fall victim to the never-ending money trap, where they put in a lot of effort, but their financial condition never appears to get better. But don't worry. You'll have the skills and information to improve your financial situation by the end of this video. Before starting this video, kindly like and subscribe our channel and press the bell notification button. 1. Understanding the money trap. We will go into great detail to comprehend the workings of the money trap. To get out of it, you must first understand how it works and how it affects your financial situation. Imagine that you put in a lot of effort, earn a good wage, and perhaps even indulge a little in some of your favorite activities. But you find it difficult to put aside a sizable sum when it comes to saving. Rent, bills, and groceries all take a sizable chunk out of your money. The money trap's inception begins at this point. The cycle known as the money trap occurs when your outgoings equal or even exceed your inflows. Whether they are required or not, your financial commitments begin to develop a cycle of their own. This might soon result in a position where you have little to no room left over for savings or unforeseen costs. That's how the trap got its name, my friends. Imagine a never-ending stream of expenses, payments, and bills. Your income seems to be vanishing into thin air as they keep coming. You may experience tension, worry, and ultimately be caught in a cycle of financial instability as a result of this cycle. Being aware is the first step towards escaping the money trap. You need to examine your financial condition carefully. This entails compiling all of your financial records, including credit card statements, bills, and pay stubs, and evaluating the overall situation. List your sources of revenue and contrast them with your fixed costs. Rent or a mortgage, electricity, insurance, and other essentials may be among them. Then, classify your variable costs, such as food, entertainment, dining out, and non-essential buying. Subtracting your total expenses from your whole income is now the key step. What is the outcome? Do you still have a positive number, which would suggest that you have some extra cash? Or is it a negative figure, meaning that your outgoings exceed your incomings? It may be difficult to face the figures, but doing so is the only way to know where you are financially. It's similar to finding the starting point on a map. You have to know where you are in order to determine the best course of action. Keep in mind that this is an ongoing project. It's crucial to regularly assess your financial condition to make sure you're on the right route. With this newfound knowledge, you can start making wise choices and creating a strategy to finally escape the money trap. 2. Building a strong financial foundation. We're going to establish the basis for your escape from the money trap in this section. Prepare to establish a solid financial base that will enable you to take charge of your finances and your future. Now that you have a good knowledge of your financial status, let me proceed. It's time to make a budget, which will serve as your financial roadmap. Consider it a GPS that will lead you through the ups and downs of your financial journey. Simply put, a budget is a strategy for how you'll handle your finances. It enables you to divide up your money into different categories, ensuring that your spending is in check and in line with your financial objectives. List all of your sources of income first. This could be your pay, your earnings from freelance work, or any other source of income. Then list each expense separately. Sort them into fixed costs, which are generally constant from month to month, and variable costs, which might vary, such as entertainment and dining out. You must be sincere and meticulous in order to create a budget that actually works. Whatever the cost might seem to be, don't leave anything out. The seemingly little costs are what can mount up and lead to the money trap. Allocation is the next step. Divide your revenue among the several categories you've established. Ensure that your overall expenses do not outweigh your overall income. If so, it's time to make modifications. Find places where you can make savings without forgoing the necessities. Keep in mind that your budget is flexible. It is a work in progress that can be modified as conditions evolve. The objective is to strike a balance between taking pleasure in your present and protecting your financial future. Consider utilizing the envelope approach to increase the efficiency of your budget. Set aside money for varying costs like entertainment and groceries. You know it's time to stop spending in that category for the month when the money is gone. The exciting part comes next: saving and investing. Set clear objectives for these categories and give them top priority in your budget. Whether you're saving for retirement, a vacation, or an emergency fund, try to set aside a certain amount of your salary each month. Make a visual picture of your financial objectives to help you stay motivated. A vision board of the things that financial independence means to you might be used. You'll be reminded of why you're trying so hard to avoid the money. 3. Escaping debt and smart investments. Debt management and wise investing are two key components of getting out of the money trap that will be covered in this section. Break free from the bonds of financial hardship and watch your riches soar. One of the most dangerous financial traps is debt. It might keep you chained, making it difficult to break out of the loop. But do not worry. There are ways for you to escape. Analyze your debts first. Make a note of all your unpaid credit card bills, loans, and other debts. The first step to efficiently managing your debt is to be aware of its entire magnitude. If you have several debts with high interest rates, think about consolidating them. This entails obtaining a single loan to settle several debts. In the long term, it can help you save money by streamlining your payments and even lowering your interest rates. And further effective tactic is negotiation. Speak with your creditors about decreasing your interest rates or creating a more affordable repayment schedule. If you let creditors know about your financial difficulties, many of them will be prepared to work with you. Celebrate each accomplishment as you pay off your bills, no matter how minor. On your path to financial freedom, it's crucial to maintain motivation. To track your progress, think about making a chart of your debt repayment. Let's now turn our attention to wise investment decisions. Investments are similar to seeds that you sow today in order to reap greater rewards tomorrow. Spend some time being knowledgeable about the various financial possibilities before investing. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and even starting your own business are some examples. Each offers benefits and risks. A financial advisor's counsel can be very helpful. They can assist you in determining your level of risk tolerance, setting investing objectives, and creating a diversified investment portfolio that is suited to your requirements. When it comes to investing, patience is essential. Markets can be unpredictable, but historically they have a propensity for long-term growth. Steer clear of making snap judgments based on momentary swings. Even if it's only a small amount, keep making monthly contributions to your assets. The strength of compound interest allows these donations to grow dramatically over time. Keep in mind that leaving the money trap takes time. It involves self-control, endurance, and the readiness to make modifications to one's finances along the road. 4. Cultivating smart money habits. This section will discuss the significance of developing wise financial practices. These behaviors can keep you on track while you escape the money trap, since they are the foundation of a secure financial future. Let's start with one of the most significant routines: domestic cooking. Regularly eating out or getting takeout might quickly deplete your cash. Making your own meals helps you to choose healthier meals while also saving money. Consider creating a weekly meal plan and using a list to go grocery shopping. This saves you time and money by ensuring that you only buy what you need and reducing food waste. Regular exercise is yet another wise behavior. Although it might not appear to be directly tied to your finances, it can nonetheless have a big effect. Exercise can enhance your general health, which can eventually result in lower medical costs. Monitor your credit rating. The interest rates you pay for loans and credit cards depend on your credit score. Over time, a better score can result in significant financial savings for you. Make it a habit to review your financial objectives. Follow up on the status of your savings and budget on a regular basis. To keep motivated and on course, modify your objectives and plans as necessary. Place experiences above things of material value. Spending quality time with loved ones enhances connections and generates enduring memories, frequently at a cheaper cost than indulgent purchases. Use financial applications to keep tabs on your spending. By categorizing your expenses, these applications make it simpler to spot areas where you can make savings and spending reductions. Making wiser financial decisions can be facilitated by mindfulness practice. It prompts you to stop, think, and weigh the long-term